Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to share with you the ultimate guide to prepping with canned goods. If you're interested in stocking up for survival, you've come to the right place. Canned goods are a crucial part of any prepper's food supply. They offer a long shelf life, are easy to store, and can provide essential nutrients during emergencies. When selecting canned goods for prepping, it's important to focus on variety and nutrition. Look for cans filled with protein-rich foods like beans, legumes, and meats. Vegetables and fruits are also key for a balanced diet. Don't forget about soups and stews, which can be a comforting meal during challenging times. Make sure to rotate your canned goods regularly to ensure freshness. The FIFO method, or first in, first out, helps you organize your food stash and prevents items from expiring. Labeling is your best friend. Use permanent markers to write the expiration dates on the cans and store them in a cool, dry place. This will extend their shelf life and maintain their quality. But don't limit yourself to just canned goods. Enhance your prepping strategy by including other essentials like water, medical supplies, and batteries. It's all about being prepared for any scenario. Remember, when disaster strikes, the stores may run out of supplies quickly. By stocking up on canned goods, you'll have peace of mind knowing that you can provide for yourself and your loved ones. Thanks for watching today's video. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest prepping tips and survival guides. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.